Hi, and welcome back to Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. Today, let's make the easiest chicken fajita tacos in just one sheet pan. This is a perfect no-mess meal. The chicken and the veggies are packed with flavor and get ready in the oven in just minutes. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. So now let's get started. I've got my oven preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've lined my sheet pan with the parchment paper. That's actually just for easy cleanup. You don't really need to line it. And one sheet pan should give us about 8 to 9 tacos. Let's start prepping the veggies now. And for this, I'm going to be using 2 white onions. These are Spanish onions. You can even use the red onions if you want. Now let's toss the onions onto the baking sheet. The second classic fajita veggie are sweet bell peppers, and for that we're going to be using 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper. Now we're going to slice these up just the way we sliced up the onions. When cutting the sweet bell peppers, I always like to cut off this little raised portion because then it gives you a nice flatter look. You can cut the bell peppers either lengthwise or breadthwise. Since these are little biggish ones, I'm going to go with breadthwise. And I'm going to put one on top of the other so it even makes it quicker. Now let's toss the sweet bell peppers onto the pan. The bell peppers give the tacos a lot of flavor and also a wonderful color. Next, let's season the chicken. I'm using 4 chicken thighs for this. I washed them and cleaned them. You can even use chicken breasts, but I just feel thighs has more flavor to it. You can use any other protein if you want, like beef or fish, or to keep it vegetarian if that's what you like. Then you can use paneer or tofu, or even portobello mushrooms would be an excellent choice. I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried onion flakes, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, but if you want to make it less spicy, you can even put half a teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm going to add salt to taste, and some freshly cracked black pepper, and about a teaspoon of oil. I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon so that the flavors all pop. Now we're going to give this a good mix and make sure that the chicken gets well coated with all the spices. Let's place our chicken alongside. Let's not forget to season our veggies, some salt, and some more of the freshly cracked black pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to drizzle this with a little oil and a little more on the chicken. Let's just toss the veggies up now so that the flavors get well distributed. And I'm going to pop this into the oven now for about 25 to 30 minutes. After baking it for 25 minutes, I just broiled it for about 3 minutes, and this has given the veggies and the chicken a lovely char, and this is going to give the tacos that really authentic flavoring. And oh my gosh, the aroma in the air out here, I wish you could really get the smell of it. Now let's keep the chicken to rest for a bit before we slice it up, and let's prep our toppings. Let's cut the avocado now. Just going to scoop it out. I'm going to squeeze a little lime on it so that it doesn't turn dark. Now let's chop up some cilantro. This is going to make the perfect garnish for our tacos. Now let's slice up the chicken. You should always keep the protein to rest for a bit before slicing it, because otherwise all the juices will ooze out and that's all the flavor and the taste. This way they get well locked into the meat. I'm cutting the chicken into strips. You can even dice it if you want. Now let's assemble the tacos. You're going to put a little bit of chicken, some of the onion, the sweet bell peppers, some avocado, some dollops of sour cream, just a few drops of Sriracha. That's going to nicely spice it up. And now let's garnish it with a little cilantro. For a cool individual plating, I like to place them in a mini cast iron skillet, which is sure to impress with ease. I'm a big fan of tacos and I cannot wait to give these a try. Just going to squeeze some lime on it. That's really delicious. The smoky flavor of the chicken and the veggies and the freshness of the sour cream and the avocados, it's perfect. It's a definite must-try recipe and will make any Taco Tuesday a breeze. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get a notification every Friday when I upload new videos. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me your comments below. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The information is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.